Stop by and take a look at the 2012 Fit. The Fit was engineered to be useful, efficient, and reliable, but its most important attribute is its innate charm and coolness. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, front disc rear drum brakes, front wheel drive, fog lamps, traction control, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Come take a test drive today.